Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, we will see how to read holding register values of your Modbus TCP IP device using JavaScript. Okay, so your JavaScript code will act as a Modbus TCP client, and either you can create your own Modbus TCP IP device using ModSim software, which is Modbus simulator software, or either you can connect your physical device with your system to read the data using JavaScript. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. So here is our code. Okay, now once you download this code, you will have this 3 file, and our main file is this one, read holding register.js. Now to run this file, we have to install the necessary libraries. So to install the necessary library, what you have to do is you have to run one command, which is npm install. Okay, so once you run this command, it will download and install the necessary library in your system, and once it is done, you will see the message here in the console. Okay, you can see added 34 packages. Okay, so once it is installed, you will see one folder, okay, node_modules in this main folder. Now it means that our library are successfully installed. Now we can run this read holding register.javascript code to read the holding register from our Modbus TCP IP device. And here is ModSim software to simulate Modbus TCP IP device, and here you can see I am simulating holding register, and I have auto simulate the first and last holding register. Okay, now let's run our code and let's see how it is reading the data. So to run the code, you have to type node, and then you have to type your file name, read holding register.js, and once you hit enter, it will read the holding register at interval of certain second. Now I have put interval of 10 seconds, so it will read the data at every 10 second. Okay, you can see, okay, 160 to 130, so every 10 second it will read the data. Now how to configure the reading interval, IP address and port number of your Modbus TCP device, so that you have to configure in the read holding register.js. okay, so yeah, so here you can see I have used localhost because my Modbus TCP simulator device is running in my local system. Okay, so that's why I have used localhost here. Now the port number is 502 because my Modbus TCP device is running on the port number 502. So that's why I have used port 502. Now you can see set intervals. Set interval is 10,000 milliseconds. So it means every 10 seconds it will read the data. But if I want to read at every second, then I can, remove 10 and it will read data at every second. And here you can see client.read holding register 0 to 10. So it will read 10 holding register in the single request. Okay, so this is how this code is designed. Now if we save this code, okay, and if we run this code again, then it will read the data at interval of every second. You can see it will read the data at interval of every second. Okay, so it will capture all the values which is changing here, because the simulation interval in the ModSim is also 1 second, and reading interval using the JavaScript code is also 1 second. So it will capture all the values which you can see here. Okay, so this is how you can use JavaScript to connect with any Modbus TCP device and to read the data of your Modbus TCP device. And in this video, we have specifically covered that how you can read the holding register. Okay, and in the future videos, we are going to cover that how you can read input register data, how you can read coil status, how you can read discrete input status of your Modbus TCP device using JavaScript. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you want the code, okay, then you can click on this code button and you can have your code. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use JavaScript to connect with Modbus TCP device and how to read holding register data of your Modbus TCP device using JavaScript. So let's meet in the next video, and in the next video we are going to cover that how to read input register data of your Modbus TCP device using JavaScript. Okay, so till the next video, take care, goodbye, and thank you.